Hey there, Monopoly Go enthusiasts! Are you frustrated because the Monopoly Go game Airplane Mode is not working? Well, you're not alone. The Airplane Mode feature is supposed to let us play without interruptions, but when it fails, it can be a major letdown. Don't worry though. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix Monopoly Go game Airplane Mode not working so you can get back to rolling those dice and conquering the board. Step 1. Check your device setting. First things first, ensure your device's Airplane Mode is activated. Sometimes it might appear as if it's on when it's not fully engaged. Turn it off and on again to reset the mode. Also, make sure that your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, as Airplane Mode should disconnect those networks. This part is crucial in determining if the issue lies with the device or the game itself. Step 2. Restart the Monopoly Go app. If toggling Airplane Mode doesn't do the trick, try restarting the Monopoly Go app. Close the app completely and then reopen it. This step refreshes the game and might fix any temporary glitches. Ensure that no background processes are interfering by checking your device's background apps. Step 3. Update the app and device software. An outdated app or device can cause unexpected glitches. Head over to your device's app store and check if there's an update available for Monopoly Go. Additionally, make sure your device's software is up to date, as updates often contain patches and bug fixes that could resolve the Airplane Mode issue. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Corrupted cache or data might be the culprit behind the Airplane Mode malfunction. Go to your device's setting, find the Monopoly Go app under Applications, and clear its cache and data. This step can resolve many in-app issues by providing the game with a clean slate to work from. Just keep in mind that this might reset your game settings, so proceed with caution. Step 5. Reinstall the Monopoly Go app. When all else fails, consider reinstalling the Monopoly Go app. Remove the app from your device and download it again from the App Store. Reinstalling can eliminate any hidden bugs or corrupt files that might be responsible for the Airplane Mode problem. Ensure you have your account information backed up to avoid losing progress. And there you have it. These steps can help you troubleshoot and fix the Monopoly Go game Airplane Mode not working. Whether it's toggling settings, clearing cache, or reinstalling the app, one of those solutions is likely to get you back into the game without interruption. Remember, keeping your app and device updated is key to avoiding such issues in the future. So go ahead and enjoy your Monopoly adventures, ease and peace of mind. Happy gaming.